traveling chic in style and efficient. When you travel, pack in same color palette. I picked black and white, super neutral, everything will go with it, and I can also mix and match. I am not restricted to packing by outfit. I can easily mix and match. So I picked this skirt and this top today with these Chanel shoes. All of these pieces can be matched with everything else in this closet right now. So let's say I could pair the top they have on me with this skirt. I can pair this skirt with this top. I can also do this together. I can also wear this top with these pants, or this, oopsie, or this top with these pants, this top with this skirt, or these pants, this top. If that wasn't enough, I can pair all these outfits with this one handbag, and I don't have to have another handbag with me when I travel.